So friends, let's see today's sprouted Dalimbi Usal. Now I'm going to show you how to sprout it. So here I've taken one vati of Dalimbi, also called val, washed it well and soaked it in 3 cups of water for at least 10 hours or overnight. After that, drain off all the water and again keep it for another 10 hours and it will sprout like this. So it's that simple. Now we have to take off the peel of the Dalimbi. So we're going to soak it in water again with the sprout for 2 hours. Then the peel comes off very easily. You just have to slip it off like this and it comes off. So in this way, just peel off all of the Dalimbi and discard the peel. We're not going to use the peel at all. And the usal is really very simple. So let's start with the recipe. So this is all of the Dalimbi that is peeled. Now here I've heated 1 tablespoon of oil in my pan. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or mohri or rye. Once they begin to splutter, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. Next goes in half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hinga, followed by half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi powder. Next I'm going to throw in 4 to 5 fresh curry leaves. Stir everything. This is our fodni or our bagar. Now we're going to add the dalimbi or the val or the beans and mix everything well. Saute this for at least half a minute in this lovely fodni. Let all of the dalimbi get this nice fodni, coated with the fodni. This is the basic, how we make usal of all different, like matki or moong. It's similar. Now I'm going to add 2 vatis of water and we're just going to stir gently. Now we're going to cover and cook for 8 minutes on a very low flame, but we're going to stir in intervals. And after 8 minutes, you can see that the beans are nice and cooked. They cook really fast. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients. First I'm going to add some salt to taste. Give it a stir. Next I'm going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now you can adjust the spiciness according to how you like it. And this is 2 teaspoons of goda masala or kala masala. This is homemade. I'll leave a link to how I prepare my goda masala at home. It's very simple. So I like to prepare a big ton of it and keep it and use it when required. Now I'm going to add half a tablespoon of jaggery or gur or jaggery. You can also substitute it with sugar if you don't use gur or gur. And just mix everything really well together. Now if you don't like any sweetness in your usal and only like it spicy, you can even skip the jaggery or the sugar. And just cook it for some more time on a low flame and our usal is all ready. Give it a good gentle mix. Now if you like it to have it more of a gravy, you can add some more hot water, maybe half a cup more. And then just garnish it with some freshly grated coconut. And you can enjoy this with some puris, chapati, some hot rice. So do try out this recipe, guys.